Today offers proof that the soul of America is vibrant, the future of America is bright, and the promise of America is real. It is real. It is real. It's never easy, but we're proving that America, no matter how long the road, progress does come.
Now law.
Congratulations. Well, I'll sleep better knowing you won. No matter where you start in life, there's nothing you can't achieve. That's who we are. That's what we stand for. That's what we believe. And that's precisely what we're doing. Opening doors, creating possibilities.
I am 7.
You're getting old.
I'm from Australia. I just became a citizen.
Well, God love you. Thanks for picking us. Cynics and the critics tell us nothing can get done, but they're wrong. There is not a single thing America cannot do, not a single thing beyond our capacity. And we pledge that we shall never waver from defending our nation as people. This is an extraordinary story being written today in America by this administration.